When everything seems so wrong, hold on, walk on. Through the pain and through the fire, you find a way out. Through the pain and misconception, through the sorrow and the doubt. When you look beyond the trouble, then you'll figure it out, and you'll find it's not the last to go. When everything seems so wrong, this is great in the moment, the work never done. I try to extend to her, and the people don't be afraid. There's still be over it. I know it will be okay.
Tō mea mai ki he whao ai ki tō taha. I kaunanga tau tahani ma koe me tōma ko tae kaune. Koe ki kurumpu koe no amana ki ke whetoki ke whanau he tei mini. I koe mea ngati ka lahea ni nei. Ko jazz band. O ko tui wanga mahene nge mo tolu ke whonoan. Ai kurumpu koe ni. Kurumpu koe ni ko taki yohi me he koe skotu bou. Koe tawa geni e tōru, ai tā unu, ana ohi ki kurumpu koe ni. Kai whenga me whanau mani ke nā waka, whakahoko atu, e pangepe koe lau, o pangepe ki tamasi kei tau tōru, kei whenga pe ke lawa poto he rea. Kau pehe ki kurumpu koe ni, te nau whenga pe ke nā whari, ai rea te whahiwa e tōru, pea koe, pangepe mo mea pepe ki ai, ngā koe nu tō mai whanau koe ni. Koe sanatane kata ko tuka me ki orunga. Poki hake me ki orunga. Koe me koe ni koe saxophone ni Platon. Ai, mo mea mai ki ai, koe ni ule ma tōku taha he ngahi me koe ni ma tau toto ki muani. Koe mo me ki hoko, me ki orunga, koe saxophone te noa tau tala noa mehe tau rea maumora ka tau tolu. Koe o saxophone te noa ai koe saxophone Platon ni mimi whakahako mai hake ka tau hini wa whakatonga koe o ki he laulala. Koe te noa re vai nuki ai o tangata koe ni. Koe o saxophone ni hoko, koe o saxophone o loto. O saxophone o loto. ai ne ku ta poto tu koe aki ai asa ne mila kofi pa pe ko ka sia ne kata ko ngai ko ma ko ni ko ke me ko ka u to ma ko solo e ku fa pa ni ko soprano e fa ka ho ko te henga i fa ha i ta ko ta ha ko ni ko trumpet o trumpet ai wa ngai trumpet ke fa ha ia fa ka ku sia te to ko ono ai ni una lo ko ma tu ko ke ma ko ni kata kange ka trombone o ko ma ko trombone fa mo ia ai ako me spene fa kako kina utoro ni hiki kulupu ko ni mo mahen mo to wa ko ni ka chess pe ka be da mo kita uhila o fa ma ma ka kita ma e ko so siwa e pe nisa ka mo te vita ta fo kita u fa unuku i e pe si ta be fo ki kita ma e ko so sifa now pe mo se kita ya to ma to mo pe bi he na fa ko e hiva uraki e wa ka ho ka hiki kulupu ko ni ko e White Christmas. Ko White Christmas ko ni e hiva to e ki to ko fa. Aya ko si ta ai ko siane e ka ya ne fo no kata. Ba be he fo ki so si fa vaka. Se ni si mano pe be he fo ki ya se ti ta ia. Toma. Kamo be mai ki to fa ni de na hiva ya to. White Christmas from a jazz band. mea mai kukia ke tau tolu ke whinga ki lawarea. Fas hoko, whakahoka te whanauni, fas eko ni mga maheni ma mai tau tupu, singai mātua, fas eko na tolu ko mong tolu. Fas ko te mohoko ki ai o mga maheni ma mai tau tupu, pako hingo e ki fasi ke Uptown Funk. Ka mumea me peki ai, ke ngai konga koe ai o taha hiwa, whakahoka tu e wahewahe o te iloto i he kai mea i whi. Ia ko nga whakahoko atu he kau saxophone, ia ko nga whakahoko atu he kau trombone, ka ia mo nga he ko nga solo i loto. Ka he ko nga solo koe whakahoko atu ia kau set fisi hoi, i he mea iwhi ni ka tēna saxophone, ka pehe whoki ki a tutui pulotu tō, koe i he trumpet i koe nga whohaloa ene o nga whaiwhikau. Ka mo mea mai ki ai jazz band, ka mai Uptown Funk. Ka mo mea kai. Kami make Uptown Funk. Yang mo yung hoki, tama tolo ako ni mga nagkinahuwa ngayon. Betul ko yung kahapon na kikulup ko ini kasi ko tubo na kamata ito be ahon. Ko fast si faos na may kikulup ko ni hangin ko na na pamatalan na ay lah ilong ini kau tanga iki. Ko hiba ini na fai ito ko ta ui Amerika ko Louis Armstrong. Pero hingo ako hiba. Ko what a wonderful world. Kalau kita lewat kita makan kau ni ko se ditaya tongo hanya bego mau mai bego kiai waktu sampai tengah kau dan hiba iko ya hiba kau ni kamu mai kiai chess band what a wonderful world Louis Armstrong faham kata se ditaya tongo ya jadi mana Memang kaki kuluk ko ini, saya ngabe ke nau, ya aku nau awak ke dia tak betul lah ke, aku ni ayam sejak ke sana aku ini, faham ke kalau faham ke dia motor, aku ini aku faham ke kalau bikin apa, kayak tete umai leva, fast hoko, hiba tu ayat lagi kalau tak mahu kita tu betul. Ko kasi pa piutaw kami hoki kia se di daya tong be fokas si pabaka hiva ka mahen be mo ka mahen kia Christmas o ko behe ko holy night ko ka tanga ko ni ko ka te no ko to te na foka hoka da hiva ko ni ke mo me be ke ne ko talo Nemo tau mahiri bea mi he whaitau Christmasi. Tau ko whaambe ke whakahoko atu. Ai ku hiwa ko ni ke teki mautoru. Ai ko tau tamai mei kia ni ka tamai ki tau potaha ko mautoru mai tau ko ka sipa pi ka uia. So si whawaka i loto. Ia pehe whoki ki a se ti tai ata mautoru ai ni ki tau potu mai ke te au. Ai whakahoko atu he whanau ko ni. Ai hiwa ko ni. Neo mai tau mahiri mei tai ko mau whaambe ke mautoru mai. Ke whakahoko atu ka teki mautoru. Ka mōmea mei ki ai. Oh, Holy Night. Malo.
Shining, it is tonight of the new Savior's birth. Long lay the world between an arrow pining till we're near and dissolve how it was. A free love. The wheel will watch rejoice us for yonder praise a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh hear the anxious voices of life divine. When Christ was born, all night divine, all night divine. Truly, Lord has to love one another. His love is God, and His cause out His peace. Change shall be great, for the slave is our brother, and in His land all oppressed sweet hymns of joy, incredible chorus blessing, that's all with Him. Us bless His holy name. Fall on your knees.
Koe whasoko manake whawa te whanau koe ni. E solo atu ai kakamai ka te patoro koe ni. Hake koe koe whawhiwaki kane nei. Tawai ki tau potu ko Tupuro Tolo. Hapa tu ki ai Steven ni Sente Hare Parei. Ako ki tamai ki tau potu mai ka te au ka Floyd Pong. Tēnau whakahoko atu ai whas o te he ka 12th Street Rag. Ai solo atu ai ta patoro koe ni. Kamumia mai ki ai 12th Street Rag. Untuk mea mai ke 12th Street Rag ang whakako te whanau. Koe whas whakaos pa me whanau I whi. Tēnau whakako atu ki mua ia pana tu ki wata ai mosquito ke te kumotoro. Koe whas kaniu me mai ke fire in the blood. Fire in the blood. Whawene te kotaha ko Paul Lavet Cooper. Tokotaha Britania Bimene. Nga whao ai fire in the blood ko whakamana tu ia ki heko sia e tau te au wanoa I palasa ai sia sawi sini ka ko mana ki whahoko te whanau koe ni ko whasa kani me ihe mini te homo full pe ai pa mai ngahi konga I loto e whakahoko te pa mai ngahi hiwa ka koe ngahi hiwa koe ni ko e whakatauange pe a ko taha hiwa e hoko ai ne ngahi ngā ue ke merie ia me whakahuifua ki rotua ai ngā ue whai. Ka te momea mbeki ai, whai in the blood tawang I lau maare, ke ni hana whakamawhanai a tau toto pa mu tau roto, ki he ngahi ngā ue hana katoa pe, o manaki ke tau mafua I SSC, I he tau whoobon o manaki, ko tau kamata ia, I hui ko o si, o wiki hoi no wai. Ka momea mbeki ai ki whanau I white na whahoka tai whasin, ko fire in the blood. Ia ko mai kau hiwa I loto, whakahoko te se tutai a tongotongo. Hiwa koe ni, me whakahoko pe he whanau ni he tau hoko sia koe a tau te au ni manoa ko si. Penai pa mai konga na I hiwa I kua ai loto, ka e whakahoko atu pe he konga me whanau koe ni. Ai whafofonga ai konga ai kua ai a ka momea mai kia. Let be the sweet, sweet sound in your ear. Fire in the blood. Umefana kweli. Fire ya tamau eki. Britania. Kopo. Lave kuba. E frase te fana kweli ya mohiva ua. Hiva ulaki ko mosquito. E te toku aho ka pea hiva whakaosi. E muto mea mai ki ai. Hange bego mego mea I. Hagerea. E whare o Britania. Kusko te pou. Tonga eiki. Ona wawhea hangi kusko te pou. Tei mingo ne whae koe ai wahau e. Ne keke mea princesi. I he nei fia. Ki he whangana mongo hinga koe sika. Kai haere te misi o wahau e. I he loto waka. Pea ni toto mea ka puta moui ke whana whanganam he waka. Te ria ai whare no tuhi. E nau haerea ke sko tu pou. Nera aue ke aho ne whakahoka e whatongia koe ni. Ne nau te toa mai nau whakaaho nam. Pea whakahoka ka behe pure a koe ni ki ai ne rea I aho ko ia. Koe makatuunga be I he hirifia koe mea princesi. Ai kena mea atu ke lotu hea wata. O ne whakahoko e koe suka tu pouke ke te hawhanganam mui hea wata ko osi hana whana. Koe whanganam mo koe koe suka tu pou ai ne mo mata atono ai e mini. Kua nau sisino romo whawhanga rei mo tau ke rei I nau tōru ke taimi hana katoa. Pea kapau te nau ki whakapiko-piko, fulahi be ka ire ire. Ka momea me ki ai whakahoka te whanau koe ni, nai whakahoka rei me he pure a koe ia, koe ia. Koe nam toloa koe ke uu, ka kuhiwa pe. Ai te momea me ke he te mini, whakahoka te whanau ni, ai mosquito, ka momea me ke ai.
Let's go to the up, sing, 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 sing,
Untuk memaya yang kena membaca kemana ke nafsu Muhammad Al-Fatihah itu. Kau hidup bawa seorang faham kata faham ni, mafaham ke mafaham saya kalau tu aiki, kau hidup Afrika. Kita itu di Afrika, kita Swahili. Pe faham kata faham ni hidup kita itu kuya. Kau ke mahino hidup ya. Kata mau buat ke ton kamu mau falar bem itu kata de me faz solo e go ilo no fo ofia pe tu pe go ya kamu me me que se si falar pe mo e Baba Yesu the Lord's Prayer go ya be ma hu faos que mo fa ho quando que tem mondo e fini e mo fa malo e ngahi tapua ko abe e ki bu ma fa ko wa ki mai to kamu me que Lord's Prayer.
Maro apetu ki waifi, amare kaufi, kai pasti, lari, apa boleh kalau boleh postia, boleh aja. Berapa awal kau kapal kata kalau kau, Maro apetu yang kau, baik. Lain, bagi kau kita, bagi mana waktu kau kau fi, bagi mati, kalau bagi lagi mari menurutnya, mau sisi, anak dia bagi dia, kalian untuk lahir naik mai, mati mari ya, mengandung lagi naik untuk muak. Kalau kita berpikir kalau anakku, pernah pilih kalau anakku yang dia, yang bapa yang mau ikhtiar, yang mau format Malaysia apa yang malu, bagi kerja mempunyai apa sesuatu, dan family apa naik betul pulau pemain hot, bagi sekitar dia. Dan selalu aku selalu berbuat sebaik mungkin. Ia istimali membuat tak mari saya ketemu kata yang mana. Ia selalu mempunyai sebagai kali kita berdunia. Dia pada boleh bagi orang itu malu.
Kalau pergi bukan hanya nak kita pergi puasa, kita itu selalu mau pemerintah lebih pergi pulau Kerama, naik saya kau siapa mereka, kau ngawe, biar pergi kau ada tak faham kau itu time ini. Kemudian besok found out wonderful world and a wonderful night. I'm sure everyone here appreciates your talents tonight. Mumia ite foki ko ahawati o tapau matahay ya ko kurikolo o lekhan. Aya ko tokoni kurikolo aya kaya nakakawa siya ni kawawe ke ngase ay kurikolo to ke lama mi aman ko ya bien be ang perform dia betul airnya itu ki pasti luar yang tuh be me mau ingat kuliah dia kau tahu sekolah kafe kita dia tu iki karena bisi paisi bukan aku sema orang itu memang ki kalau kifo kan aku ada nawe aku ini bersamaan dia como aku It's your day, and you have shown your talents to everyone. Tapi I if you have itu ketika Mexico Escocia atau Thai, tengah ini kalau kau enak itu kemudian kemana ya bisa sekarang. Kita mau kau sekarang kita berkuliah kau di Mentua, ayo ya kan? Di utara yang moi kau yuta kama tak boleh dan hefo ke fana obiang ko fa funga yang alon to honga kia as das families yana tawatai na incorporation ihe fa al motalen ihe ya well I'm not going to keep you long but this time has come. Reverends, chairpersons, authorized students, bandmaster, choir conductor, and the band of the Tupou College, also known as Doloa College. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce our guest of honor tonight, Mr. Deputy Mayor, Councillor Tony Blaisdell, of Blacktown City Council. Okay, I would like to say just a brief little profile of the Deputy Mayor. Councillor Tony Bleasdale is here with his wife, Nina Bleasdale. Councillor Tony Bleasdale was first elected to council in November 1996. He was awarded the Order of Australia Medal in the Queen's 2010 Honours List for his service to the community as supporter of charitable organisations and for his contribution to the local government in the Blacktown City area. Councillor Bleasdale's charity work includes financial support to the Gynecological Cancer Research Fund, Westmead Hospital. He's also a supporter to Blacktown Replay for Life, Cancer Council New South Wales, and others. He's also a sponsor of the construction industries, breast cancer awareness since 2005. Before becoming the managing director of the major construction industry, Leap Hire, Firm National Contractors, Councillor Bleasdale was Group Industrial Relations Manager with the W. McNamara Group of Companies and Assistant Secretary at the Building Workers Industrial Union, BWIU. Councillor Bleasdale's vision is to create diverse and migrant communities in many different areas, as well as continuing to focus on the cultural diversity that defines Blacktown City. We are so grateful of your being here with us tonight. Please give a big applause for our Mr.
Thank you, Rose. That was very exciting, wasn't it? It's been a long journey for myself, as you can imagine. A very young migrant boy, some 55 years ago. Got off the boat at Woolloomooloo along with 15 other children. And of course, next day they put us to work in the meatworks in Paddy. So it's been a great journey, a great lifestyle. And of course, Australia welcomes migrants, and in particular, Blacktown City. We are a haven for migrants. We do not care where you come from. You can come from Venus, you can come from Mars. You are welcome in Blacktown City. And that's the way Blacktown City operates. And having said that, what a great day today. I mean, you know, the guys up here on stage, the performances today have been extraordinary. I can only say the word extraordinary. What do you reckon? Extraordinary? Yeah. Extraordinary. And it really is great credit to all of those concerned who put this together. And of course, visiting Australia, going around Australia, meeting Australians and really bringing Tongan culture to the masses in Australia. And that's what it's all about. Enjoying and developing your cultural background, not only for now, but for in the future as well. So what a great job these guys have done. What do you think? Come on, another applause. I am absolutely gobsmacked by what's happening here today. I'm so glad Dean and I were invited. And of course, it really is a credit to all of you here today. Blacktown City, let me tell you, is a city of 360,000 people. We have 188 different nationalities in Blacktown City. So you can see, we are family. You know that song? You ready? We are family. We are family. And that's what it's all about. So ladies and gentlemen, look, on behalf of the Blacktown City Council, I am so delighted to be here today as Deputy Mayor of this great city and being a part of these celebrations. And I know there's an awful lot of work goes into it by the organisers and others. relationship, and it goes back 150 years, I understand, with Newington College. That's a great history, isn't it, when you start to have a look at these things. So look, I think today, I'm absolutely over the moon at what's happened. I'm sure you've all enjoyed yourself and had a great time. It didn't rain today. So ladies and gentlemen, look, I want to finish up on a note on behalf of my council, Blacktown City Council. Congratulations. And I'll tell you what, it's all about communities coming together. It's all about expressing love for each other. It's all about expressing respect for each other. And that's what it's all about, respect and love. Thank you very, very much.
Thanks very much to Mr. Mayor, Councillor Tony Blaisdell, Councillor Blaisdell's vision is to create vigorous and vibrant communities in many different areas, as well as continuing to focus on the cultural diversity that defines Blacktown City Council. I have to stress that again. Thank you very much. I'm going to ask Chairperson of the Frauenmoor Church, Free Wesleyan of Tonga Incorporation, to say a few words. Mr. Deputy Mayor, may we ask you to please come here, please. Mr. Chairperson Ismail Maya will want to say a few words.
Well, Mr. Tony, Deputy Mayor, Councillor Blacktown, on behalf of the Saskatchewan Wesleyan Church of Tonga in Australia, very, very much appreciated for your second special invitation today, this afternoon, and also your attending this afternoon because of our kids from Tonga. Principal and the people here. I don't have any much money to represent how happy we are with the people. We help each other. Very happy. I'd like to present you this gift. We appreciate for your special invitation and also attending this gift. Wife, and not for now, but if you need invitation next year, next time, thank you very much.
Thank you, Rosa. Thank you for those very kind words. We're in great company here today. Look, let me say this. I have to move on, go to another meeting, they might say. That's what they say. I just want to thank everybody for a wonderful, wonderful day. And of course, if you live in Blacktown City, Blacktown Council, you've got a problem, give me a call, come and see me, have a chat, tell me what the issue is. Thank you very, very much.
Lord,